Hello you guys. So today I'm going to be taking a bath and I'm going to be using the new limited edition Spongebob bath bomb from Lush. Spongebob is from a collab that Lush is doing with Spongebob SquarePants, and Spongebob bath bomb is one of 6 or 7 products that Lush is selling limited edition for this collab. It's made with pineapple and bushu oil, and it smells sort of like passion fruit, smells very fruity. Lush has also made a soap, a SpongeBob soap made with the same ingredients. I'm going to use that in my bath also. So now let's see what it looks like.